So my name is Nathan Moy. I'm the vice head coach of Churchill. So what happened is I'm the head boy Winston. So patanga moto isithatha sirikuzethisha chitika. And then memo akachasi wachaya kuti saka pata zoona isusu kuti wakubuda ndopata manyawo vazoshedza kuti moto. And then we had to start going in just try kubudisa zvinhu. Saka mwana anga arimo. And then nini ma juniors mangana nawo batapine mumo rescue mwana batabuda naye batamenisa kune ma superintendent ma teachers ndo zvike zvitakwanisa kubudisa murume mumo ndosvika zvakwanisa kubuda mwana ni casting.
Yeah, there was a fire outbreak at Winston Hostel. Form 1 and 2 affected, and we are busy trying to scavenge a few things, but most of the property here was destroyed. Almost all the hostels for the Form 1s and the Form 2s were up in the flame. Value of the property we are still to establish, but it runs into thousands of dollars.
Okay, I was home, then my son rang me. I actually saw a first missed call, then he rang me and said, Mommy, there's a fire in our hostel. Then I was like, are the teachers there? But he then said to me, our teachers are not in, they had gone to bury another teacher at Sororo. So I then called fire brigade. Then they were like, we're going to go to Churchill. They wanted the address and everything. So we then came here, but everything was burnt down.